RGBW color. 600 LEDs density. Super bright light. Pure 6000 light. Dimmable. Includes a 16.4 feet RGBW LED strip and 2 connectors with 5-pin wires on both sides. 120 LEDs per meter high density. RGBW 4-in-1 5050 SN. 24 volts safe voltage. With adhesive backing. Every 50 mm 1.96 in can be cut. Flexible. 12 mm wide. Perfectly fits the neon diffuser. Dotless bright light. No hot spots like low-density LEDs. CRI 90+ makes color more vivid. For color-changing LED projects.